Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today I'll be unboxing the Nest Thermostat E. I recently purchased this from my local energy provider and there was a discount, about $150 off, so I had to pay full tax, but it still came out to be around $60 to $75 or so. Here's some of the compatibility information, and before I purchased this, I visited Nest website. You just go to nest.com/works, and I made sure that this unit was compatible with my current home's heating and cooling system. Just remove the plastic wrap here. There were other choices. There were the higher end Nest, there were the Ecobees, but for me, the system I have at this house, it's pretty old, maybe like over 20-year-old system. I saw the advertisement for this. It's supposed to have a frost display, micro USB port on top, connector on the bottom. Here's the installation guide. Just going to go over a couple of pages. If you want to read part in more detail, just feel free to pause the video. It came with the wire labels too. Great. I think a lot of folks were reluctant to get the Nest unit since the earlier ones, there were reports of problems with them on Reddit. Let's turn off the power to heating and cooling system before installing. It's built-in leveler. The screws on the back over here, just two of them, and here's the wall plate. Great. Nothing else in the box. For this part, I don't need any screws. I just need to push the wire in, release this, and then lock it in place. Nice design. Very clean, sleek. Well, thanks for watching this unboxing of the Nest Thermostat E. Stay tuned for my installation video and a review video. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.